Hey students, welcome to LearnStage. Let's take a tour. When you enroll, you create a LearnStage account. LearnStage is our student management system where you can manage your student information, view class records in progress, and access important resources. Logging in to your LearnStage account is simple. You'll need a computer with high-speed internet and the Google Chrome browser. To log in, go to the Excel High School website. Then click Login and select the Student Login option and enter the username and password you created when you enroll. Once you are in your LearnStage account, you can access your profile information by clicking on your name on the upper right-hand corner. Your profile contains your contact information, any documents you choose to upload, such as your ID, an unofficial transcript to assist with the course selection process, your password management options, and more. Other features of LearnStage include the Orientation Resources option, where you can access the orientation course anytime, along with other resources, and online tutoring, where you can access the tutoring that might be included in your enrollment. Students in our middle school, standard, AP, and honors programs can schedule up to 3 tutoring sessions each week for free. To access courses and course information, you can select Dashboard, and then the course details option located below your program name. Then you can scroll down to view your courses by subject area. Current courses will show any progress you have made, and you can click Go to Course to access the Canvas learning platform where your classes are held. And lastly, parents can keep tabs on their students' progress through the LearnStage Family Login. The Family Login provides a quick and easy way to view assignments and module progress. This account can easily be set up when you enroll. And that concludes our tour of LearnStage. Thanks for watching and enjoy your learning adventure.